Welcome to Easy English channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain about future continuous tense. We can also call it future progressive tense. Same thing. So it has two names and same function. How to make it question, how to make it negative, where do we use future progressive tense, all with examples in detail. But before that, we go in detail, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. In case if you have any suggestion, please write in comments. We are waiting here. So let's start our lesson now. What is a future continuous tense or future progressive tense? We use future continuous tense, an ongoing action in the future in specific time. For example, I will be doing exam by tomorrow this time. So it shows ongoing action in the future in specific time. The second one, she will be playing tennis in the evening. Will be playing tennis in the evening. So it shows future and at the same time it shows ongoing action in specific time. Now let's see the structure of future progressive tense. It will be subject plus will be plus verb ing. For example, they will be playing football tomorrow morning. They will be playing football tomorrow morning. They, subject, will be auxiliary verb, playing, main verb plus ing, football, object, and tomorrow morning is adverbial phrase. So this is the main structure, the formation of future progressive tense, how to make it, the main formula that I show you. Some examples I want to give you for future progressive tense to make them all clear. The first one, she will be attending her meeting tomorrow morning. Number two, Jessie will be leaving tomorrow morning. Number three, we will be playing a football match tomorrow at 10 in the morning. Number four, I will be attending a meeting at 8 p.m. in the evening. In all these 5 examples that I gave you, you can see the formation, the structure, the form of the verbs plus ing. I think it's clear. The next step is interrogative form. How to make future progressive tense question. It's very simple and easy. First of all, see the example. She will be playing tennis tomorrow morning. So the auxiliary verb will be is there. Take will out of the sentence and put it at the beginning. Will she be playing tennis in the morning tomorrow? It's a question. They will be traveling tomorrow. Will take it out of the sentence. Will they be traveling tomorrow in the morning? Question mark. It becomes automatically interrogative or question. Very simple and easy. So the same formula you can use for all type of future progressive. Will be, take the will out and keep the rest of the sentence as it is. And put the sign mark at the end, the sentence will be interrogative. The next step, how to make future progressive tense negative. Again, it's very easy and simple because the auxiliary verb will is there. Look at the example. She will be traveling to Paris tomorrow morning. She will be traveling to Paris tomorrow morning. So put not after auxiliary verb will. She will not be traveling to Paris tomorrow morning. I will be playing football in the evening. I will not be playing football in the evening. Sarah will be doing her last assignment tomorrow. Sarah will not be doing her last assignment tomorrow. Just by putting not after auxiliary verb will, the sentence will automatically be negative. I think the formation and the structure of negative sentence is clear. This was a future continuous tense or future progressive tense with examples. In the next video, I will explain about future perfect tense with examples in detail. But before that, if you like this video or if you have any suggestion, you can write in comments your feedback, any suggestion you have, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more updated videos and enjoy them. Thank you.